What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we are out here today because I need to do some more harvesting, and I feel like it's going to be raining really soon, which is why I got the hats. Got my harvesting baskets, so let's go ahead, head out into the garden. I guess we'll kind of do like a brief tour. It won't be a detailed one, but I'll just show you what's going on. Let's get it. So obviously we are peak gardening season, and that means that everything is progressing really fast. So I'm gonna give you a quick little look around, but no huge details. Like I said, it's about to rain soon, so I'm gonna turn you around, give you a quick look, show you what we will be harvesting, and then get to it. All right, so my green stalk here, we have some things that are going to seed, like the Swiss chard here. I have been getting a bumper crop of some calendula, which I will be harvesting some more of that today. And then this guy, we have some things also going to seed, some lettuces. I'm going to allow them to do that because why not? We have some straw flowers that are budding up, as well as some dahlias, which is really exciting. I do have one that has bloomed. Yay, absolutely stunning. More on the way. But when you walk in here, my cabbages are beginning to struggle, and so especially this guy here, I don't know what happened there, but I am going to harvest those guys. And then you can see my onions have began to fall over, so I am going to harvest all of the ones that have fallen over, and the same thing over here in this bed. My onions did not get very big, and I blame that on myself because I packed these in here so tightly. I feel like they didn't have the opportunity to like really do what they needed to do. So next year I will dedicate a special area for the onions to really kind of spread out and bulb up nicely, because that is the one thing that I'm like, I really want to get this right. So yeah, we're going to harvest some of those and the cabbages. And then what else? Oh, we have a couple of things. All right, back here in this bed, my beets need harvested like nobody's business. It's just getting too dang hot. And then I have more over here as well. I'm not going to harvest all of those. I might just harvest a couple. And then lastly, my potato bag. So we will begin here because this just looks like a sad situation. All right, got a decent little spud harvest here. I cannot remember what these were. These might have been the store-bought potatoes, but you could see I put a little heart there. But these ones didn't produce as well. I only got 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. And then these guys, which again, I can't recall what the variety was, but I got quite a few here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, about 21 of those guys. So overall, really good potato harvest from this bag. This first one here looks quite disgusting. There were quite a few slugs. I don't know. I'll try to peel back more later on and see if I can salvage at least a tiny head. Looks gross though, but it's pretty solid, so I might be able to salvage it. So we'll continue going here. Yeah. Not perfect, but looks a lot better. Pretty solid. This here was my sacrificial cabbage, so I knew I was not going to expect too much from this one, but it actually doesn't look too bad. We got a little slugger in there. But yeah, not terrible, also pretty firm. That allows for a lot more airflow to my peppers, and I might do like a row of like some sort of herbs or something. Ooh, this baby dense, real heavy. I mean, I almost want to measure this because, or not measure it, weigh it, because this guy's heavy. This guy is pretty much a done deal. It's soft, it's rotting, so we lost one, but that's okay. We got rain coming real soon, and it looks like it's gonna be a good one. So let's go on ahead and harvest. The final thing for today, try to do a little bit of cleanup, but if not, we're gonna have to run in, child. All right, so the final things I wanna grab before the bottom opens up out of the sky are my leeks. So you can see here, a lot of them are going to seed. So the ones that are putting off scapes, I'll go on ahead and grab for now. This was pretty satisfying. I've never grown leeks before, so I honestly didn't know when I should harvest them, but I think that these are decent size leeks. I mean, they're not as thick as the ones that you buy from the store, but they are homegrown, baby, organic. All right, you guys, it is beginning to rain, so this is all I'm gonna get done for right now. I will come back another day and share the harvest of onions. Obviously, it's about to dump, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure that you go on ahead and hit this with the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I wish you all health, wealth, and prosperity, and until the next time, peace.